I shouldn't say that. What's up, guys? It's Mr. Sprinkles, and today we're doing a Hank for Fort McMahon. No, it's
what?
Honk for Fort. I should make fun of that. That's
no, of course you shouldn't.
So as you couldn't tell already, my cameraman is PewDiePie.
Oh!
Just kidding, it's Psyker. Yeah, I know, I'm disappointed too.
He can't be PewDiePie.
Yeah, there's damn Daniel Productions.
Look at that! Look at that! Look at that ugly face creature! Look at that ugly
the
face
camera's
creature!
gonna break. Don't shoot your face. Okay, we have a very special guest here today. My sister.
What a professional! She's like the cameraman.
No, it's like no.
Okay, so what we're gonna do?
Down in business.
We're gonna decorate a bunch of posters
Glue.
that we have, and as you can, that is hot glow. That is hot.
Of course it is.
Why do you keep on touching this?
That is hot.
Stop
glue.
touching it! Yeah!
Don't hug me, I'm scared.
I'm not hugging you.
We're going to time lapse mode.